Formulation of learning objectives is of extreme importance for the teaching and learning process since it enhances the student experience and facilitates the work of educators. Therefore, teachers are to be able to specify and rationalize objectives of different levels for their students. The objectives need to be precise and measurable to aid further evaluation process of students. The present post aims at providing examples of objective sets for math students in different grades. When formulating objectives for students, it is vital to refer to Bloom's taxonomy for knowledge levels. The 6 knowledge level objectives demonstrated below are developed for unit introducing percents in grade 6. The objectives are developed using standards of learning by the Virginia Department of Education. Level 1. Define the word percent in their own words. Level 2. Compare fractions, mixed numbers, decimals, and percents with 75% accuracy. Level 3. Solve problems, including real-life problems, utilizing fractions, mixed numbers, decimals, and percents with 75% accuracy. Level 4. Compare fractions, mixed numbers, decimals, and percents using pictorial representation and symbols with 75% accuracy. Level 5. Explain the relationships between fractions, mixed numbers, decimals, and percents. Level 6. Create real-life problems utilizing percents. Below are 6 knowledge level objectives for Algebra 1, Grade 9, students for the unit concerning linear equations. The objectives are created using VDOE standards of learning for the subject. Level 1. Define linear equations with the provision of at least 2 examples. Level 2. Explain the difference between single-step and multi-step linear equations with at least 1 example for each type. Level 3. Solve multi-step linear equations and related practical problems with 75% accuracy. Level 4. Analyze relationships between equations and their graphical representation with 75% accuracy. Level 5. Estimate the slope of equations graphs with 75% accuracy. Level 6. Create real-life problems that can be solved using linear equations. As seen from the examples above, the formulation of objectives is useful for different educational purposes. Umugiraneza, Bansilal, and North claim that the success of lessons largely depends on the amount of work done by the teacher in terms of planning. However, teachers often underestimate the importance of providing specific instructions to their students, which leads to decreased quality of teaching and poor learning outcomes. The quality of instructions can be improved by connecting them with learning objectives. At the same time, they can be used for evaluation since they can be viewed as specific criteria for being successful in learning. For instance, considering the examples of the objective provided above, if students solve linear equations with an accuracy of less than 75%, they will fail to meet the objective. While creating objectives, teachers are to remember that, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and the knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. This implies that God is to be in the center of all learning activities, and all knowledge should help students to find their way to Him. StudyCorgi.com has everything you need for successful studies. Writing tools, informative articles, and essay samples. Come check it out.